Psalm 133 begins, "How good and pleasant it is when brothers dwell together in unity." It's a great statement. It's a great vision. And it's a great idea about how the people of God are supposed to relate to one another as brothers, one in their relationship with their God. The same idea comes forth in the New Testament, where we're told to endeavor to maintain the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace. And yet, even though this is a profoundly biblical idea, it's also an idea that we seem very far from in our relationships with one another in the church today. What can we learn from an ancient song and from an ancient letter that can help us understand what it means to be one in relationship with our God? Join us on Discover the Word this week as we discover Psalm 133, one heart, one mind, through our relationship with God.